In summary, this is being treated as a major incident involving attempted murder by administration of a nerve agent.
Attempted murder because the victims, Sergei Skripal, a former Russian military officer, and his daughter Yulia, are still clinging to life after they collapsed in this park in Salisbury on Sunday. One of the police officers who helped them is also in serious condition. Here's Skripal 2 weeks before the attack, buying groceries. He'd done jail time in Russia for spying in the 1990s, but came to Britain as part of a prisoner exchange negotiated with Moscow in 2010.
In their words, treachery was discovered in 2004. He was put on trial, and in 2006, he was jailed for treason for 13 years. Now, 4 years later, he and others were involved in a spy swap. Basically, agents who had worked for British and American intelligence were handed over in return for agents that the Russians had placed in North America and Western Europe.
If this is an intervention by a Russian assassin, that it is not done without the explicit authority of Putin. Furthermore, Putin will make this known, or probably has already made it known, to the FSB and the SVR, and it is a message to other people, defectors, people who are contemplating betraying the Rodina, the motherland, that this is what will happen to them.
He has been living in Britain since then, presumably with the help of MI6 and a pension and housing and so forth.
Administration of a nerve agent, serious condition in hospital. So having established that a nerve agent is the cause of the symptoms, leading us to treat this as attempted murder, I can also confirm that we believe